10 Ways to Stand Out When Applying for Scholarships. One. Stay organized. Organization is key when applying for scholarships. Get transcripts, letters of recommendation, etc. ready. Don't wait until the last minute to complete applications. 2. Request letters of recommendation in advance. Give referees enough time to submit recommendation. Inform referees at least 4 weeks in advance. Provide resume and other information to referees to help them give adequate recommendation. A good letter of recommendation can boost your chances of making a better impression on the scholarship committee. 3. Pay attention to details and requirements. Read instructions carefully and note specific documents you should include. Double-check scholarship rules and requirements to make sure you are following them. 4. Don't copy and paste past essays. Every scholarship essay is different, and each prompt will vary. Essays are going to need to reflect your different goals and who you are. Even if you make tweaks here and there to existing essays, like changing names and dates, the judges may still be able to tell that you didn't write something fresh just for them. 5. Know your audience. Make sure to research who is offering the scholarship. Familiarize yourself with scholarship mission. This basic knowledge can help gear your essay towards the scholarship aim. 6. Emphasize what makes you unique. Many scholarships are based on an applicant's individuality. Putting your unique interests and perspectives on the page will go a long way toward creating a memorable essay. 7. Be personal and passionate. Make your essay personable and passionate. Share your stories, feelings, and personal experiences. 8. Present yourself professionally. Every communication, your essay, application, phone call or interview should be done professionally. Make sure you're paying attention to the tone communicated in your writing. Avoid sarcasm, emojis, text abbreviations or slang in your communications. 9. Don't forget to proofread before submitting. Proofreading is an essential aspect of writing your scholarship essay and submitting all other necessary documents. Make sure to correct any grammar and spelling errors, and double-check that you have answered the prompt correctly. It also helps to have someone else read through your essay to catch any missed mistakes. 10. Send a thank you note to anyone that helped with your application.